Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Roman numeral page numbers to a Microsoft Word document. First, open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab. Click Page Number. Now, select where you want the page number to appear. For example, select Bottom of Page and choose a page number style. Word will automatically open the header and footer options. From here, click Page Number, then select Format Page Numbers. Under Number Format, click the drop-down menu. For this tutorial, we'll select the lowercase Roman numeral format. Make sure Start at is selected if you want the numbering to begin from I. Then click OK. Your page numbers will now appear as Roman numerals. And that's how you add Roman numeral page numbers in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.